past 3 seasons, these boys have dominated the football field, losing only 1 game and outscoring opponents by an incredible 200-12. This streak is a testament to their hard work, winning 212. And that's against Brooklyn, Neville, Statesboro. Good job, guys. This streak is a testament to their hard work, discipline, teamwork, and heart. Congratulations to every player, coach, and supporter who helped make this era of excellence possible. 3-time champions, 1 unstoppable team. Go forward. Charles Weaver, Adam Babb, Lonzo Hightower, and we also have an excellent group of future pro cheerleaders over here, coached by Emily Pease and Elena Ferris. And we will introduce the girls first that are here. I'm going to say all their names: Ava Bride, Clara Counts, Kinsley Gill, Caroline Grooms, Gemma Grooms, Madison Bennett, and Io Weaver. Good job, cheerleaders. Jackson Altry, Jason Babb, Gavin Black, Shannon Bragg, Bentley Calco, Mason Winnett, Benjamin Hendricks, Camden Huff, Talman Johnson, Case Mallard, Asher Marsh, Hayes Owen, Jaleel Prescott, Jordan Prescott, Braylon Rout, Ren Russian, Fisher Scott, Brady Smith, Emmett Stewart. The future is very bright for these youngsters right now. They're doing this for 2 years. Let's get it over one more time, please.